everybody. Thank you. You can get in front of your car. We'll do a quick shot. Then we're gonna go back to the paddock. Thank you, guys. Just real quick shot in front of your car.
What's going on, guys? Greg here. Welcome back to the channel. We are getting ready for our third track day in the Civic Type R. We are switching to the Motul 300V 5W30 oil. We got a brand new OEM oil filter and drain plug gasket. Last did the oil change at 4,000 miles. I think it's a good idea to just get fresh oil in there, especially the 300V oil. As you can see, it's actually rated for all sorts of racing. It's not cheap, $23 per liter, but I got a trick for you guys to save some money. We have a total of 6 liters. This car takes about 5.7 quarts. We ordered this from a company called FCP Euro. They offer a lifetime replacement guarantee, meaning everything that they sell on their website that you can put back into a bottle or back into a box and ship back to FCP Euro, they will give you a full credit. The next time I do this oil change, I'll buy a brand new kit of this. It's about $138. Then I'll drain the oil from this car, put the used oil back into this container, send these 3 containers back to FCP Euro, and they're gonna give me my $138 back for that new order. You could do it yourself. You could have a shop install it. You could do track days. You could replace this oil every weekend if you wanted to. There's really no exceptions from FCP Euro, so I highly recommend it. We're going to put some used oil from this car into this container and send it to Blackstone, and they're going to do a complete oil analysis on the used oil. And the purpose of that analysis is really to tell us the health of the engine. Just like that. That's what 4,000 mile tracked oil looks like. Alright guys, we made it to NJMP Lightning, getting the car ready for the track right now. The driver's meeting is in about 30 minutes, so we got to empty everything out of the car again. You don't want anything flying around. So we just got set up at the booth. We got some track decals, we got wristband, lunch voucher, and the keychain. That's pretty sick. SVJ over here. Saw this on the pictures last night. I think it's crazy.
Driver's meeting will happen once everything's over, so roughly around 20 minutes from now, so just make sure your car's empty, ready to go.
It's freaking sick. Got the built-in lifts in the bottom? Damn. Yeah, we're moving a lot faster now than we were before. Oil temps at 240, coolant's at 197. We got no passing right here. Getting a little bit backed up, but we're still moving at a good speed. You can clearly tell that the cars with more horsepower take us on the straights, but we catch up very easily on the turns. Food time. Let's go. So we are lining up all the cars right now on the track. You can see behind me. This is sick. Look at this, guys. No other track host does this. All right, guys, that concludes the track day with the Type R. I think we did a total of 6 sessions, 5 or 6. It was really good though. We sat with the instructor in the last one, gave me a lot of good tips, really pushed this car to the limit beyond what I was comfortable with without him. So we even got the car to understeer on turns, just to hear the tires screeching through the turns. So we know what to do for the next one, what brake fluid to go with, and yeah. Once you do one of these, you're hooked on to the next one. So this is my third HPDE, and then the fourth one I'm going to try to do later this month, or it's going to have to be sometime in July. But yeah, make sure you guys track your car, be safe, and we'll see you in the next one.